Tell Mummy, are we going on the aeroplane?
I know.
On the aeroplane. And who are we going to see on the aeroplane?
Mama, I told.
Grandma.
I told.
And who else?
Mama.
Grandma and who else?
Dad.
And Granddad. And
Eat.
who else?
Eat.
Ian.
Yeah.
And who else?
Eat.
Who else?
Up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who else are you going to see?
Yeah, told.
What about the cat? What's the cat called?
Wow.
No, what's the cat's name? No, that's what the cat says. What's the cat's name? Jasper.
That's it.
Jasper. And have you got toys in Grandma's house?
Yeah.
What toys have you got? What are you doing? What toys have you got in Grandma's house?
Rory.
Rory.
Dodge.
And George.
Dodge.
George.
Pepper.
And Pepper. And tell Mummy, will we go and see the doggies? Don't do that. Tell Mummy, did we go and see the doggies?
No,
in the park? Hey. Show Mummy where's your eyes. What's them called? What are they? Eyebrows. And where's your nose? Where's your nose?